Hey everyone, it's Allie and welcome back to my channel. This is the second update of my Murad skin journey, if you will. So I just want to do a quick little update. This has only been about a week and I have been really good about washing and treating and moisturizing. I will admit there was only last night, literally last night, I washed my face, I put the Invisalign on it, and I just forgot to put the moisturizer on. But that's fine. So if you can see, I'll zoom you in a little bit. So you guys know I'm not a fan of zooming in, but here we are. I still have the marks going on. These are all basically healed now. I'm just left with the redness and the darkness. This one's a little newer. This one's still healing. Same thing with this side. This guy is a little newer. I did get just a new blemish here, but generally I still obviously have the marks and things like that. So a little frustrating. Definitely had some new ones, like I said, pop up because, lady stuff. And so that was frustrating. But overall, I feel like since I've been consistent with it, I mean, it's only been a week, but I feel like my skin, not necessarily the marks and everything, but I guess the texture, the fine lines have improved a little bit. I don't know, I just feel like my skin looks more hydrated, if that makes sense. Whereas before, you can tell that my skin was a little thirsty, but I feel like it's gotten better. So obviously not enough for me to really be like, oh my gosh, my life has changed and blah, blah, blah. It's only been a week, but I have been pretty consistent. I am planning on going and picking up some actual acne spot treatments and things like that. I don't want to over exfoliate because right now with the AHAs and the BHA cleansers that I'm using and the Invisalign, I believe, has that as well. Those are, I want to say, chemical exfoliants, not physical exfoliants. And if I'm not saying that correctly, forgive me, but I don't want to over exfoliate my skin. So I want to get a couple of things that are a little bit more gentle. And I feel like adding that into the whole routine can hopefully help a little bit. Something that I noticed as well, when I do actually have makeup on, I obviously don't have any makeup on right now. When I did put makeup on this past week, since being really on top of my skincare and things like that, I feel like my makeup actually did go on so much better. I used a foundation that a lot of people rave about, and I was not crazy about it. It always looked kind of cakey on me, but the past couple times that I did wear it this week, I actually really liked it. I feel like it sat really nicely on my skin. However, that foundation does have fragrance in it, so I don't know if that also contributed to new blemishes coming out. So I don't know. But yeah, so that's the update for this week. I hopefully can run out and get those other products soon, and hopefully I'll be able to update you a little bit more and introduce those things into my skincare routine as well. That does it. Hopefully we can see a little bit more of a difference for next week's update. But as of now, I'm just proud of myself that I have been keeping up with everything every single day. And there have been times where it's really late at night and all I want to do is go to bed and I'm like, wait a second, I need to do my whole skincare routine. So that's that. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update. I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. That way you can see when I post other videos, especially about these little updates. And be sure to stay happy, and I'll see you guys in my next video.